Welcome back to the channel where real courtrooms reveal real drama, and today's case is a masterclass in patience, procedure, and a judge who doesn't tolerate nonsense. The defendant, Laura Ashby, facing serious drug charges, but walking into court with a casual demeanor that's about to collide head-on with the judge's strict courtroom rules. From scheduling conflicts to gum chewing, from attitude to accusations of tardiness, this hearing has it all. But here's where it gets really interesting. What seems like a simple scheduling discussion quickly spirals into a tense back and forth, with the judge laying down some hard truths about respect, priorities, and the reality of the justice system. As we move through this hearing, watch how small details, like a late arrival or a piece of gum, can dramatically shift the courtroom's tone. And stick around, because by the end, you'll see why this judge's handling of the situation is as much about setting a precedent as it is about this single case.
Are we able to recall it for next week?
Next week is a snag with that. I have to go to Michigan for a deposition on Thursday and Friday.
And when is your vacation?
It starts the 18th of July.
And when does it end?
The 31st. That's what I'm saying, like August 1st, I think it'll be. That's
all right, Ms. Ferguson, jury trial in August. Excuse me, miss. Two things. Number one, there's no gum chewing. I would love to have gum right now, but I don't, out of respect. Number two, there's to be no crop tops, no bellies showing. We're not at the club.
This is more than just a dress code reminder. It's a subtle but powerful statement about the seriousness of the courtroom. Judges often enforce strict standards for appearance and behavior, not out of vanity, but because it sets the tone for the legal process. When a defendant shows up chewing gum or wearing attire better suited for nightlife than legal proceedings, it sends a message, intentional or not, about how seriously they're taking their case. And in a jury trial, perception can be everything. Do you think the judge is right to call it out here, or should it have been ignored?
All right, what date, Ms. Ferguson?
Many months later.
All right, why are you always late for court? And I won't say always, 90% of the time.
No, I'm here.
You were late.
And I was not told about coming here today.
All right, and then I told you to be back at 1:30.
I was sitting outside and then I had to go to the restroom. I sat, she even saw me sitting there. She even saw me sitting there.
Why? My question is, why are you late for court?
Today I am late because I was not told.
All right, she's up for jury trial. All right. All right. You can take the cuffs off. You're going to jury trial. Okay. And
Much later.
He's working on it. He's working on it for
only 380,000 items remain.
Laura Ashby.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning.
good morning.
Hello.
That's my client right there.
Yes.
No, I just
Judge, it was my understanding that a case is going to go today for a murder trial.
No, you all are scheduled for jury trial.
I'm sorry.
You all are scheduled for jury trial today.
I understand.
Okay.
And I guess I just need some clarification, only because if we're going to go, that's fine.
All right. So come back at 1. Could everyone please whisper?
Just one consideration I was asking for from the court is that I have a written hearing scheduled in Hayes County this morning. And it's like a really big deal because it's hard to get these dates. He's already been in jail for like a month longer than he should be trying to get this date. So if we weren't going to go at 1:30, it'd be really greatly appreciated if I could head up there to take care of that situation. She's on bond.
Okay, well, she's on bond, and I don't know why she's before me chewing gum and with attitude. And that attitude is directed towards you. So why are you chewing, just 1 second, why are you chewing gum in court?
Here's where the tension boils over. We've gone from scheduling conflicts to a personal clash between client and attorney, and the judge is stepping in as referee. What's fascinating here is how the judge reframes the situation. In the legal world, your attorney has other clients, and court schedules don't revolve around individual demands. It's a reality check many defendants don't expect, and it's being delivered with absolute clarity. Notice how the judge uses hypothetical figures, key and twos dollars, to illustrate the point. Unless you're funding someone's entire career, you're sharing their time. This isn't just legal advice. It's a crash course in courtroom reality.
I'm sorry.
All right. So here's the thing, what you must understand. Look at me. Guess what? Everyone has a job to do. You are not his only client. The only way you can be assured that you are an attorney's only client is if you're paying them enough money so they can live off of your case. If you're paying him $500,000, I'm sure you could be his only client. But he has other clients, and he has a client that's in Hayes County. Do you understand?
Yeah.
All right. So there's no reason to get angry and upset with him. And actually, the first case on the docket is a murder case. Your case is not number one on the docket. Now, if the murder case takes care of itself, it may, then you will be there. Do you understand?
Yes.
So there's no reason to be angry with him or upset with him because you want your case to go today. If you wanted your case today, we could have went on May 22nd when your attorney was getting discovery. So, counsel, this is what I'll do. I will recall your case for tomorrow, because if the other case does not go, then your case, this should be a simple trial because it's a drug case.
Yes, Your Honor.
So I think if we were to pick a jury trial in the morning on Wednesday, then this would be done fairly quickly.
Okay, I'll be here tomorrow at 9 a.m.
All right, Caroline, could you give them a reset form for tomorrow at 9 a.m. on Laura Ashby?
Yes.
And counsel, once she's signed the reset form, you're all excused. Good luck on your writ.
Many months later.
Yes. Yes. So your client said that they hadn't had contact with you, but they're saying the reason why is because, I don't know, there was a holiday or some reason, he said.
Okay.
So he didn't blame you for anything.
Okay.
But whenever people show up, even though we don't have pre-indicted cases, whenever people show up and say, I don't know who my attorney is, or I haven't had contact with my attorney, I always have the attorney come over to make sure that they have contact and everybody has good numbers.
I've made contact with them, Jim.
Okay, so it's a night mag case, so it doesn't have to be reset unless you want it on the docket.
No.
Okay,
Thanks, Judge.
sure, you're welcome.
By this stage, the case has shifted back into procedural territory, setting a firm date for August 21st. But even here, there's a strategy at play. Court calendars are like a high-stakes chessboard. Every move must account for other cases, potential conflicts, and even unexpected trials that might bump yours. In legal terms, this reset could be a blessing or a curse. More time could mean a stronger defense, or it could give the prosecution more opportunity to prepare. Viewers, here's a question. If you were the defendant, would you want this trial as soon as possible to get it over with, or would you welcome the delay?
All right, Ashby. So this is for a jury trial. When are you all looking at for jury trial?
Just the next date the judge has available.
What's your date? This is a drug case, possession with intent 4 to 200 grams.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, yeah, Judge, we have.
Oh, you guys switched impact, I think, with family violence.
Taking it, but I mean, we could take it over there if that case doesn't go, Judge.
Okay, all right.
That's
So-
the 20.
First.
21st of August.
Can I
All right.
check that really, really quickly?
And are there any motions on this case?
Yeah, 21st should be fine.
All right, Caroline, can you put this for August 21st and put it for impact?
Thanks, Judge.
Thank you. Are there any pre-trial motions or no?
No.
All right. We'll call you back on the 21st. Ashby? I'm sorry, not Ashby.
Robin,
Thank you.
Robin Burnett.
Yes, what is happening? Who is speaking to someone in the box? Who is it, Deputy Laura?
What was the lady in the back? It was just asking me something.
All right, are you in court today for a case?
I've been here since 8:30.
No, my question is, are you in here? Are you on the docket today?
I'm supposed to be, but
Come up front and Ms. Ferguson will see if you're actually supposed to be here.
So, what did we witness today? A defendant navigating not just the charges against her, but the unwritten rules of courtroom conduct. A judge who balanced scheduling chaos with clear, uncompromising expectations, and a reminder that in the justice system, every interaction from your arrival time to your attire can influence how your case unfolds. Laura Ashby's trial date is now set for August 21st, and while the legal battle will be fought on evidence and testimony, moments like today shape the narrative both inside and outside the courtroom. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.